This is an SCI lower unit we just pulled off a boat. 250106. It was put in June of last year. And so it's in forward. So it's turning reverse. Go to forward. I mean reverse.
Watch what it does.
Yeah. Pushes the prop out. And now we're turning the input shaft the direction.
Now, push in on it. It pushes the shifter back around.
Yeah.
So you can watch it.
So it pushes it out of gear. So you can see how much prop play that's in. So basically this is a standard rotation lower unit on the port side of a twin engine boat. So it should be counter rotating. And to make it work, all the everything inside the boat has to be swapped around, because to make this unit work, the boat's shifting this so it is running in reverse. So if we put a counter rotating on here, it's going to be backwards. Sort of a dilemma. We didn't start this project. We didn't sell the lower unit back a year ago.